Do you know many people are having trouble with their smoker not heating? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Select method. Ensure you've selected the correct cooking method. Choose between time or temperature settings. Step 2. Check probe. Check the meat probe connection, as an improper setup can halt heating. Step 3. Set time and temp. Verify that the cooking time and temperature settings are correctly configured. Step 4. Start cycle. After preheating, start a cooking cycle promptly to avoid automatic shutdown. Step 5. Position parts. Ensure the water pan and smoker box are correctly placed for proper operation. After following these steps, your smoker should be heating properly. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Char-Broil users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.